Hi, I'm Allyson from Watts Art Australia. I grew up on a farm in northeast Victoria, and for the last 30 years I've been raising my family and living here in Melton South. I mostly do watercolour art, but I've just been dabbling in acrylic and ink pen and pastel of lately. About 6 years or so ago I joined U3A, and I've been part of their art group since. I then joined the Artists Collective of Melton, doing all sorts of different types of art, and most recently the Mount Atkinson Art Group, who are running lockdown art so we can still continue our art during the COVID restrictions. As my children have all left home, I do have a small bedroom that I use as my art and craft room, but it's become so cluttered with supplies and art things I've done. I've recently taken to working on the end of the kitchen table. With the lockdown and COVID-19 restrictions, I couldn't go to work, couldn't travel, so I've had lots more time to devote to art. Early on in the restrictions, I made myself a Facebook page, Watts Art Australia, and decided I'd post something for sale on my page each day. I'm just finishing up 2 art pieces that I'll exhibit in the Art of Empowerment exhibition that'll be shown in the Bacchus Marsh Library during November. This will be put on by the Women Making It Happen group, which I'm also a part of. This one here I call The Power Within, and as you can see has a wolf howling at the moon inside the silhouette of a woman. It was actually painted in acrylics, this one. It depicts the hidden power and stamina within women. This other one I've titled The Fire Within, and it's done in watercolours. So you can see watercolours don't have to be soft and pale and watery. They can be quite strong colours, especially when you're layering. This one depicts the strength of the fire within women, emanating from the heart and empowering them. Mostly I enjoy painting animals and country scenes, as you can see here by some of my other paintings. I like to pencil a drawing in first, so I can rub out, get it right, at least roughly anyway. And now I've got some very watery watercolour here, so now I just gotta let that dry. And now that the watercolour is completely dry, I can use a black ink pen to draw in the butterfly. Now I've cut out some card, some double-sided tape on the back, and all we're going to do is stick it down to the front of the card. So thank you for watching this short video. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe got something out of it. If the COVID restrictions allow us to travel through November, be sure to check out the Murrabul Library and the Art of Empowerment exhibition. My art will be there along with 10 other artists. I'll also be exhibiting in the Me, Myself and ISO exhibition that's coming up soon, put on by the Melton City Council and Artists Collective of Melton.